Here to Kuma Deals, we have a 2010 New Holland 250 TL. Pretty nice little clean tractor. 4-wheel drive. It's got a little over 1,900 hours on it. Lights are working in the rear, as you can see. It's got a 3-point PTO and 2 aux hydraulics in the back. All working as they should. No leaks to be shown. All in good shape. Tires in the rear, I'd say, are probably about 75–80%. Pretty good shape. Again, no leaks to be found. 4-wheel drive with about 85% on the front on the tread. It does come with just the forks on this unit. None of the cylinders are leaking. Great shape there. Nice clean running unit as far as the motor. Just a manual quick connect there on the front forks. I'm going to open this lid for you. You can see it runs very clean. Clicks or clacks of any sort. The AC does work, but it probably needs to be filled because that AC compressor is clicking on and off, which is usually an indication it needs to be filled. So turn that on for you. As you can see, that AC compressor is clicking on and off. Not sure if it's a clutch or just needs to be filled with more Freon, but it's not staying on. So go ahead and turn that off to not do any more damage. Go ahead and get the cab here. The seat does have a cover on it. Someone took good care of it. No rips or tears in the seat of any sort. Good shape there. Does have a hydraulic control for the thing here. 2-speed unit. Again, 1,947 hours on it total. Runs clean. Runs as supposed to. 3-point works as supposed to as well. Does have a radio in the top there. Lights in the front. Unit starts right up just as supposed to. Go ahead and get you a quick little driving video here, a functions video, so you can see this thing working in action. Take a look here. as you can see, this 2010 New Holland 250 TL unit runs and works just as it's supposed to. It's got the 3-point hitch in the back, PTO, got the forks, got the loader, 4-wheel drive, it's got it all. AC does work, but needs to be filled. Clean little machine. Could be detailed out, put mine on your lot, or go to work with it, ladies and gentlemen. It's located here in Springtown, Texas. So if you're interested, please give us a call. 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ Deals. Thank you very much.